Hey everyone, this is Rich from the Rich Maxwell Channel. This is my channel trailer, so if you're watching this, you're probably thinking, who's Rich Maxwell? What's this channel? What's that crazy background in his videos? And what's he gonna talk about? So here to answer those questions and hopefully encourage you to subscribe and watch a few of my videos and maybe give me some likes every now and then. So this channel, it's all about drones and photography primarily, but also some videography as well, and also gonna cover some tutorials about Lightroom, so gonna be teaching you how to make images like this turn into images like this, and we're going to be covering how to get great drone shots, how to do everything you can think of with a camera really, and drones and photography. And obviously there's loads of other channels on YouTube that do the same thing, but I hope you'll subscribe to my channel because I'm a small YouTuber. I'm a guy that has a full-time job, and I just make time in the week to put together 2 videos on a Wednesday and Saturday every week, doing it all in my own time just for the fun of it really, and only have a few subscribers at the moment, about 250 odd. Videos that you see on this channel don't even have adverts in them, and there's no sponsorship or anything like that, so all my opinions are totally unbiased and are my own. It's just myself buying some cool camera gear and drone gear and then just talking about them on the channel really, and also just sharing all the things that I learn with you guys. So I've been learning things like After Effects recently and how to make a logo like this animated on screen right now, which looks pretty cool. Been adding that into my videos. So yeah, that's hopefully a few reasons why you should subscribe and watch out for more videos. So hope that's encouraged you to join my channel, subscribe, maybe hit the bell notification if you really want to hear about every single video that I publish, which would be great indeed. So yeah, watch out and continue to watch my videos, watch me grow hopefully as a YouTuber, and watch the quality of my videos improve. Hopefully they've improved a bit already, because they started off kind of looking a bit rubbish really, a bit like this, and now they're getting there, they're starting to get B-roll and stuff like that, and better cuts and transitions and all kinds of things, and color grading. So wow, kind of computer magicry really. So hope this is interesting channel for you guys, and hope you'll watch out for me, join me again soon. Bye for now everyone, hit subscribe, don't forget.